Want to create a stunning zoom through text effect like this in Premiere Pro? Let me show you how.
Take your editing to the next level with the ultimate preset pack for creators. You can grab it for just $20. Link in the description below.
First, select the Type tool and type your text. Then, adjust the font style, and text alignment to your liking in the Essential Graphics panel. Next, choose the Selection tool and double-click on the preview window. Move the small dot to the position where you want to zoom in. Go to Effect Controls and expand Vector Motion. Create a scale keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Then, move a few seconds forward and increase the scale value until the screen is completely white. Now, our text animation is done. Let's smooth it out a bit. Select both keyframes, right-click any keyframe, and choose Ease Out. Then, choose Ease In. Expand the scale section and adjust the graph like this. Now, move your text to the second video layer and import your video to the first video layer. Select the video, go to Effects, search for Track Matte Key, and double-click to apply it. Finally, go to Effect Controls and, under Track Matte Key, set the matte to video layer 2. And that's it, we're done. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.